Assalamualaikum. Today, we Group 5 will present about eco-landscape design in SK Pekan Pagoh. This is our group member. I will start by introducing myself. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Sulaiman. Next, we have Muhammad Nur Iman bin Ishaq, Nur Izzati binti Lakawi, and Sazatul Nazira binti Saroji. Next, I will start with the introduction. First, I will explain about the sourcescape. Sourcescape are used to create visually appealing, ecological friendly, and functional outdoor area. Emphasizing on diverse plant species, they also will reduce water usage and maintenance while preserving local biodiversity and ecological resilience. Lastly, it will help enhancement of mental health and well-being through relaxation and stress reduction. Second, for the hardscape function is to help contribute to energy efficiency. According to landscape efficient energy efficient design, employing landscaping material with a high albedo value, the percentage of light reflected by a surface can lessen the impact of the material absorption of heat. Next, we go to the location of proposed site. The proposed site location is SK Pekan Pagoh. SK Pekan Pagoh was established in May 1954 on the Wakaf land belonging to the deceased Mr. Haji Abdul Hamis, relocated to the hillside beside Pagoh High School in 1970. A two-story structure was constructed in 1983 that has classroom, office, and prayer hall. The school is one of the 4 schools across Malaysia that have been designed as post-Malaysia foster school. For the objective of the project, the objective is to develop a comprehensive integrated design plan that enhances the aesthetic, functionality, and sustainability of a chosen site within Sekolah Kebangsaan Pekan Baru. We move on to the analysis of the site. The challenge faced by Escape Pekan Pagoh are including undefined space and an outdated aesthetic. It can be overcome by a comprehensive redesign strategy. To enhance the school appeal, the suggestion is to define specific activity area, modernize the design, and incorporate engaging features such as seating and recreational facility. Next, addressing the lack of vegetation and disorganized layout involve introducing more tree and reorganizing hardscape element for visual coherence. Furthermore, the enhance of a clear design concept and design student sitting area can be fixed by aligning this design with educational goal and creating comfortable study space. In summary, a focused design emphasizing modernization, distinct activity space, increasing greenery, and student-friendly area has a potential to significantly improve the overall environment for both student and teacher at Escape Kampagu.
The first is another soft-scape and hardscape design. First, water management. Rain gardens, reservoirs, promote practice to reduce runoff and promote groundwater recharge. This objective and controlled plans for water conservation and biodiversity excellence. Second, hardscape material. Extreme observable, repurpose or recolor source materials to minimize environmental impact. Utilization of recycled rubber and reused wood to reduce building material transitions. Third, consideration for material. Importance of life cycle assessment and end of life disposal for minimizing environmental impact. Choosing material with a low environmental energy footprint and reduce maintenance. Fourth, educational element. Education of seniors and interactive extremely conscious in water management and to raise awareness and educate. Lastly, overall impact. A purposeful blend of water management, conservation awareness, durable material, and education feature for sustainable product design, fostering a culture of sustainability from an early age while minimizing environmental impact.
Concept development. First, aesthetic appeal. For eco-landscape, they use several elements in outdoor space designed to create visually appealing gathering areas for people or specifically for students in SK Pekan Pagoh. These components, which might include water, plant life, pavement, and site furnishings like seats and garbage cans, enhance architecture, create focus area, and contrast colors and textures. For examples, the physical characteristic of plants that provide a landscape interest, diversity and aesthetic appeal provide a landscape interest, diversity and aesthetic appeal include texture, shape, size and color. Each plant has a unique appearance and personality due to its physical attributes. Second, environment sustainability. It is very important for eco-landscape as it strategically incorporates methods prioritizing ecological well-being, resource preservation, and biodiversity enhancement. Environmental sustainability in the school garden includes several ideas, including using native species, conserving water, and using organic gardening techniques. Choosing organic gardening techniques such as composting and organic pest management guarantees healthy soil and lessens the need for artificial pesticides. Including native plant species helps local ecosystems and reduces the need for frequent care and watering.
Functional requirement. First, design for wooden seat. By combining sustainable material and self-requirement, the design of green eco-landscape in scale and wooden hardscape element magnetically safely functional need. Seating provided can be included to our design by using locally produced or used wood for bench and sitting structure. The significant of using sustainable material in outdoor furniture, such as with wood, to reduce the ecological effect while providing comfortable and efficient sleeping option. Second, design for workplace. For eco-landscape work, the use of wooden materials such as recycled timber or sustainability generated wood will contribute particularly critical work according to eco-friendly concepts. The advantage of making of use of recycled or sustainability wood in hardscape design, efficiency durable and reduce harmful effect on environment. Design for spotlight. In terms of creativity, lighting, including energy efficient, structure provide a renewable trust or consistent with sustainability design concept. Conservation solar power or sensor plus lighting along walkway and sitting does not only improve safety during the evening hours, but also decrease investment on conventional power source, contributing to the overall sustainability of our design. Plus, design for rubbish bin. Recycle of upcycled material for the build-up of recycled bins promotes eco-consciousness and minimizing waste. The soundscape surrounding the recycled bins could include native plants or greenery, which not only increase the attitude appeal of the eco-friendly design, but also serve as a teaching tool for students to learn about recycle and the importance of environmental conservation. Accessibility and safety. Designing an accessible, suitable green eco-landscape. First, water accessible touchway using repurposed wood for universal design. Second, radio slope, flat, and wooden city structure for inclusivity and rest areas. Third, asset safety criteria while promoting a connection with nature. Fourth, strategical plus solar power lighting for nighttime visibility without compromising suitability. Plus, lighting design masculine and atypical lighting while ensuring security and comfort. This is our design that catering by hand.
This is our final sketch design. By using the early design as a guideline, the final sketch will finalize. by using SketchUp software. This final sketch is an improvement to the early sketch. The early design is just for the baseline, and the final sketch has been perfected to look more aesthetic. With the use of SketchUp, the design can be viewed in 3D. This makes the design much more realistic and easy to understand. In this sketch, there is 3 different areas. This is the first area. In this first area, there is 3 important elements. The first element is potting shade. Potting shade used to plant a plantation that needs shade. At this shade, there are egg pots provided to plant a gorgeous flower. The second element is pond. At the pond, there is 2 colorful cutfish with lily pad to bring a calm nature environment. There is also lamp provided at this pond, so everyone can notice the pond at the night time. And lastly is gazebo, provided for students to relax and enjoy the environment while shaded by gazebo roof. There is also a wood bench in front of the gazebo in case if students want to feel a better air ventilation. Now we go to the second area. In this area, there is picnic benches for students to eat lunches in case canteen is full with other students. It's also a good place to do a revision and study group. Planter box are provided so students and teachers can do an activities involving plantation. There is lamp provided at this place for security guard vision at the night time. There is 2 garden gate as an access to this area lawn. This is the last area. In this area, there is bookshelf that provided for students to spend their recess time with something useful. The book will be provided by library and will be changed every week. Student doesn't have to go to library to read a book and can enjoy nature while at it. There is also wood benches that provided for students to sit and read books. Material selection: gazebo, walkway pergola, wood bench, garden fence set, garden gate, picnic bench, bookshelf and potting shed are made of wood. We select wood as a material because it is a suitable hardscape material. A suitable hardscape material is essential to creating a stunning and useful outdoor area in landscape design. Wood has grown in popularity as hardscaping material in recent years. It is not only an environmentally responsible and sustainable choice, but it also gives any outdoor space a cozy, natural feel. For our plant material selection, we use azalea flower, iceberg rose flower, bukida variegated tree, common box plant, tuja pine tree, and clematis etoile violet seed. We choose this plant because it is crucial to soundscaping, since they enhance any outdoor area with color, texture and scent. Many different types of blooming plants are available, each with special quality and advantage. For example, annuals such as marigold, petunias and pansies are great for bringing bursts of flower to a patio or garden, since they only bloom for a single season. Perennials such as lilies, daisies and cornflower are excellent for creating a more permanent garden or landscape, since they bloom for many years. Material selection for pond is codfish, lily pad plant, riverstone and pond structure. The pond structure design is to look beautiful at the corner of the lawn. We use codfish to make our pond more colorful. For lily pad plant and riverstone are used to make the pond look more natural. Material selection for other items such as pot, store walkway, lamp, rubbish bin and planter box are chosen with suitable material for our landscape. This is our BQ, or also known as bill of quantity. For hardscape, we have gazebo, wood bench, stone walkway, potting shed, garden fence, picnic bench, pot, lamp, garden gate, pond structure, river stone, bookshelf, rubbish bin, walkway pergola, and platter box. All of all of the hardscape item total is 28,400 ringgit and 7 cents. For softscape, we have azalea flower, iceberg rose flower, bukidao variegated tree, common box plant, carpfish, lily pad plant, tuja pine tree, and clematis etoile violet seed, with a total of 1,503 ringgit and 5 cents. So the total of our BQ is 29,903 ringgit and 12 cents.
Sustainability and building services integration. Many Malaysians use sustainable building services in response to the demand for resource-efficient construction and worldwide environmental concerns. Promoting sustainable practices in the building industry has been greatly aided by initiatives such as the Green Building Index and the Malaysian Green Technology Corporation. Environmentally friendly elements like solar panels, rainwater collection, and energy-efficient lighting are becoming increasingly common among Malaysian builders and architects. Water management. The finest management practices that aim to use water more wisely may be followed to realize this idea. It's a significant idea that may be included in the curriculum. Sustainable in SK Pekan Pagoh aim to reduce water use, maximize financial savings, and improve water efficiency. To do this, the school conserves water by lowering water use, managing and regulating water flow in the school, and reusing grey water as much as feasible. Energy efficient lighting. Garden and landscape lighting is beneficial for both security and aesthetics. It makes Escape Pekan Pagoh more visually appealing. To provide adequate lighting while using the least energy, the lighting system should consider the unique requirements of outdoor spaces such as parks, recreational areas, and focal points. By turning on lights only when required, intelligent lighting controls such as programmable timers and motion sensors play a critical role in maximizing energy use.